Hi everyone, we are discussing the second philosophy paper from the Fellowship Souls College, and here discussing question number 4. Is there virtue in skepticism? Is there virtue in skepticism? That's the question. First of all, we have to discuss what is this concept of skepticism. Skepticism can have virtues when applied thoughtfully and in the right context. Skepticism is the practice of questioning and doubting the claims or beliefs, often in pursuit of truth or a better understanding of a subject. So, now we are going to discuss some virtues which are associated with skepticism. The very first one would be critical thinking. Now, skepticism encourages critical thinking and careful examination of ideas and evidence. So, it can definitely help the individuals avoid accepting the claims without sufficient evidence or critical analysis. Second would be open-mindedness. Why? Because skepticism promotes open-mindedness by not accepting the ideas blindly. It encourages people to be receptive to new information and willing to change their beliefs based on evidence. Thirdly would be scientific inquiry. Skepticism is a fundamental aspect of the scientific method. Scientists use skepticism to rigorously test the hypotheses and theories, leading to the advancement of knowledge. Fourthly, it would be protection against deception, means cheating, misinformation and all. So skepticism can protect individuals from scams, from misinformation and from manipulation by encouraging them to question the claims and seek reliable sources of information. Next would be humility. Like skepticism can foster the humility because it acknowledges that human knowledge is limited and there may be uncertainties in our understanding of the world. However, it's important to strike a balance. Excessive or unwarranted refusal or skepticism can lead to cynicism, which is kind of a refusal to accept the well-established facts, or a reluctance to trust any information, which again can be counterproductive. Okay, so the virtue of skepticism lies in its ability to promote critical thinking and a quest for truth while recognizing that there are cases where evidence and consensus provide reliable information. Yeah, so that's it for today's class. Let's meet again in the next classes.